in Vipassana meditation, which is also taught by Lord Buddha, and which has now become famous, now there you sit and you just watch your breath, going and coming in, going and coming in of the breath. What is the idea? As you see the breath going and coming in, the thoughts become normal, they keep moving, and so many of them will move out, and after some time you may not feel like the thoughts moving at all. Even here, the process that I told you, after 15 days, you will see that thoughts don't come that fast. You may spend a few split seconds and there may not be thought at all. There may be a blankness. There may be a gap. There may be an interregnum. Now, the old Upanishadic Veda Yoga Upanishad laid a great stress on that gap and said, Brahman lies there, God is there. That's what it said. Now, that's a different issue. So, you may get a gap. So, there is a Vipassana meditation. Now, mindful. You see, you walk on the beach. They also call it walking meditation. You walk on the beach, just keep watching your movements and don't worry about any thought and don't worry about friends moving with you or coming in the opposite direction. Just keep moving. Now, you have given a go-by to many of your thoughts. Now, this they call as walking meditation. But very difficult to practice for the simple reason not a minute will pass without somebody tapping on your shoulder and saying, என்னடா பைத்தியமா நடந்து போயிட்டு இருக்க அப்படின்னு பேசக்கூட மாட்டியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவான். அதனால் பேசி தான் ஆகணும். Therefore your meditation will get upset. So that's what it is. Mindful meditation is important. Now, mindful meditation is what, you see, by the grace of God, I am talking something here, and I think some of you are sleeping, some of you are drowsing, and one or two of you are listening, and one or two of you are listening very intently, as if nothing else matters. You are listening intently, as if nothing else matters. You are meditating on the subject that I am talking about. That is mindful meditation. You are putting your mind totally on the subject of my talk. நான் வழக்கமாக சொல்கிறது, வீட்டில் வேலைக்காரி வரலைன்னா நாம் தான் பாத்திரம்லாம் கழுவி ஆகணும். நம்ம வீட்டில் அம்மாலாம் இருக்கா, வேலைக்காரி வரல சமைச்சிக்கிட்டே கழுவுவாங்க. வரல பார்த்தியா, போனால் 2 நாளைக்கு முன்னாடி தான் லீவ் எடுத்துன்னு போனால் நீங்கள் மறுபடியும் லீவ் எடுத்து போயிட்டா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு திட்டிக்கிட்டே கழுவிட்டு இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா. அது இல்லாமல் பாத்திரத்தை கழுவுற சமயத்தில் அதை தவிர வேறு ஒரு ஐடியாவும் இல்லாமல் அந்த பாத்திரத்தை கழுவுவதிலே கண்ணாக இருக்கக்கூடியவர்கள் அந்த முயற்சி இருக்கு. That's called mindful meditation. They're doing it without any further thought. Any thought or emotion associated with the circumstances leading to that. That's mindful, just that. You put your mind wholly and totally on the subject and you have not allowed any thought to intervene in the process. So that's mindful thought. Mindfulness, a lot more can be said on the subject. Want of time, I am not saying much about it.